Welcome back to our channel. It's great to have you here. I understand that you're looking to make money with your website, and I'm excited to share some tips with you. You may have already tried slapping some ads on your website, but that's not enough. Making money with your website requires a well-planned strategy, creative thinking, and a touch of magic. So, let's explore the treasure trove of 14 proven ways to turn your website into a money-making machine. From affiliate marketing to sponsored content, there are plenty of ways to monetize your website. And you don't have to limit yourself to just one method. With a mix and match approach, you can find the golden formula that works best for you and your website. So, buckle up and get ready for the ride. 1. Email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool that can help businesses reach their target audience directly. When you have someone's email address, you have the opportunity to communicate with them on a personal level, creating a bond that can lead to increased brand loyalty and sales. However, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Your email list is a valuable asset that should be treated with care and respect. Don't abuse your subscribers' trust by bombarding them with irrelevant or spammy content. Instead, focus on providing them with value, whether it be exclusive deals, sneak peeks, or heartfelt messages. Think of your email list as a VIP club and treat your subscribers accordingly. Offer them special privileges and rewards that they can't get anywhere else. But be careful not to come across as too needy or clingy, as this can turn people off. Strike a balance between being informative and being respectful of your subscribers' time and attention. By taking a strategic and thoughtful approach to email marketing, you can build strong relationships with your subscribers that will pay off in the long run. Remember, your email list is a valuable resource that should be nurtured and cultivated over time. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by becoming a digital matchmaker. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to find products that match your audience's needs and recommend them through your website, blog, or social media channels. It's like playing Cupid, but instead of arrows, you're using your digital marketing skills to connect your audience with the products they need. To succeed as an affiliate marketer, you need to find products that you believe in and that your audience will love. You can choose from a wide range of products in various niches, from fashion and beauty to tech and home goods. Once you find a product that you want to promote, you'll need to create content that showcases the product's benefits and features and convinces your audience to make a purchase. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can earn commissions on every sale that you make. You'll receive a unique affiliate link that you can share with your audience, and every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. It's like recommending your favorite taco joint to your friends and getting a taco-shaped thank you card in return. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. 3. Create and sell your own product. Do you have a creative idea or a unique talent that you believe can be turned into a profitable product? If yes, then you have the potential to make a lot of money by creating and selling your own product. Whether it's a physical product or a digital one, the possibilities are endless. Think of something that you're passionate about and can offer value to others. It could be a craft, a skill, a service, or even a recipe. You can make anything from handmade jewelry to a mobile app and sell it online or in person. For instance, if you have a secret recipe for a delicious sandwich that everyone loves, you can turn it into a marketable product. You can create an ebook with your recipe and sell it on Amazon or your website. You can also start a food truck or a restaurant and sell your famous sandwich to hungry customers. The key to success is to identify a need in the market and create a product that solves that problem. With passion, dedication, and a bit of creativity, you can turn your idea into a profitable business. So, start brainstorming and let your imagination run wild. 4. Sell advertising space. One way to monetize your website is by selling advertising space. Think of your website as a prime piece of real estate, just like Times Square in New York City. Advertisers are like tenants who rent space from you, except they pay you in clicks instead of cash. By placing ads on your website, you can earn revenue based on the number of clicks they receive. It's like having billboards lighting up the night and generating income every time someone interacts with them. So, if you have a website with high traffic, consider selling advertising space and turning it into a profitable business. 5. Product reviews. Product reviews are a powerful tool for sharing your experience with a particular product or service. These reviews are essentially a form of word-of-mouth marketing, amplified by the reach of the internet. When you find a product that impresses you, sharing your thoughts in a review can help others make informed decisions about whether or not to try it for themselves. Perhaps you discovered the perfect avocado at your local grocery store and want to share your excitement with others. Writing a thorough and thoughtful review can help others understand why you think this avocado is so special and encourage them to give it a try. By sharing your experience, you can help others discover the joys of this amazing avocado and support the business that produces it. 6. Selling services. In today's world, selling services has become an increasingly popular way to make a living. If you have a particular skill set, you can use it as your superpower to earn money. From writing and designing to cat juggling, if that's your thing, there's always someone out there looking for your unique talents. Think of it like being a neighborhood dog walker, but instead of walking dogs, you're helping clients reach their goals and achieve success. By offering your services, you're not only utilizing your strengths but also providing valuable assistance to those who need it. So why not put your skills to work and start selling your services today? 7. Create a job board. If you're looking to monetize your website, creating a job board can be an excellent idea. It can help you become the matchmaker of the job hunting world by connecting job seekers with employers. As a result, you can watch job offers fly like confetti. Your website can become a go-to destination for job seekers and employers alike, creating an ultimate career fair where they can explore job opportunities and find the perfect candidate. A job board can be an excellent source of revenue for your website by charging employers to post job openings or by taking a commission on job listings that lead to successful hires. By creating a job board, you can also attract more traffic to your website, increasing its visibility and credibility, which can be beneficial in the long run. Additionally, a job board can help you build a community around your website, creating a platform for job seekers and employers to interact and network. All in all, a well-designed job board can provide a win-win situation for both job seekers and employers, making it a lucrative opportunity for website owners. 8. Offer a membership site or premium content. Consider offering a membership site or premium content to your audience to create a sense of exclusivity and value. A membership site is a gated platform that offers unique or premium content to members who have subscribed to it. By offering such content, you can create a sense of belonging and loyalty among your audience, while also generating a new stream of revenue. Your website can be transformed into an exclusive club, where only members can access the premium content that's worth its weight in digital gold. By setting up a membership site, you can offer exclusive access to special features, courses, webinars, or any other content that is relevant to your audience. This can provide a sense of community and belonging, making your audience feel like they are part of something exclusive. In addition to creating a sense of exclusivity and community, memberships can also generate recurring revenue for your business. By charging a fee for membership, you can generate a steady stream of income while offering high-value content to your audience. By creating a premium membership experience, you can differentiate your brand from your competitors and stand out in your niche. 9. Sell paid directory listings. One potential way to monetize a website is by selling paid directory listings. In this model, you can become the yellow pages of the internet by listing businesses, services, and more on your website. As people search for these businesses and services, they can find them easily through your directory. By charging businesses to be listed on your website, you can turn these listings into a source of cash flow. This model works particularly well for niche websites that cater to a specific industry or market. As your directory grows in popularity, you can even charge higher rates for premium listings or featured placements. Remember, your website is like a digital storefront for businesses everywhere. By offering a paid directory listing service, you can help these businesses get noticed and drive more traffic to your website at the same time. 10. Host webinars and sell something. If you're looking for a way to showcase your expertise and sell your products or services, hosting webinars can be a great option. As the host of a webinar, you can present valuable information to your audience, answer their questions, and engage with them in a meaningful way. To make your webinar a success, you'll need to choose a topic that resonates with your audience, create compelling content, and promote your event through various channels. You can use a platform like Zoom, GoToWebinar, or WebEx to host your webinar and manage attendee registration. During the webinar, you can use slides, videos, and other visual aids to keep your audience engaged. You can also offer special discounts or bonuses to those who attend the webinar or make a purchase during or after the event. By hosting webinars, you can establish yourself as an authority in your field, build relationships with potential customers, and generate revenue for your business. So, take center stage and start planning your next webinar today. Then, write tutorials and promote something. One of the best ways to establish yourself as an authority on a particular topic is to create helpful tutorials and share your knowledge with the world. By doing so, you can attract a dedicated following of knowledge seekers who turn to your website for guidance and advice. To take this a step further, you can also incorporate affiliate marketing into your tutorials. This involves promoting a product or service that is related to your topic and earning a commission for any sales that are made through your unique affiliate link. Overall, writing tutorials and promoting affiliate products can be a powerful way to build your online presence and create a sustainable source of income. You can think of yourself as the Gandalf of the internet, leading your followers through the twists and turns of the online world with wisdom and expertise. 12. Publish a book. Are you a passionate writer with a wealth of knowledge and experience to share? Have you ever dreamed of becoming a published author, but didn't know where to start? Well, with the power of the internet and digital publishing, it's now easier than ever to make that dream a reality. By publishing a book online, you can showcase your unique voice and ideas to a global audience. Whether you're an expert in a particular field or simply have a story to tell, there's an audience waiting to hear from you. With the ability to self-publish, you have complete control over your content, cover design, and pricing. But it's not just about putting your words out there. Publishing a book can also help you build your brand and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. With a well-written and well-received book under your belt, you'll be able to attract new readers, speaking opportunities, and even consulting gigs. So don't let your ideas go to waste. Leap and become a published author today. 13. Offer live training and workshops. One effective way to establish yourself as an expert and build a loyal audience is to offer live training and workshops. By doing so, you can share your knowledge and skills with others, while also providing valuable hands-on experience that they can apply to their own digital endeavors. Whether you're teaching people how to use a specific software or sharing tips on how to optimize their website's SEO, live training sessions can be a powerful tool for establishing yourself as a thought leader in your field. By embracing this approach, you can create a community of learners who look to you as their go-to source for all things digital. So why not become the sensei of your digital domain? With a little bit of effort and creativity, you can turn your website into the dojo of success and help others achieve their online goals. 14. Sell your website, the ultimate way to make money online. As an online business owner, one of the most lucrative ways to earn money is by selling your website. By doing so, you can pocket the profits and move on to new ventures. This process involves finding a buyer who is willing to pay a fair market price for your website. You'll need to value your website based on its traffic, revenue, and potential for growth. Once you've found a buyer, you'll need to transfer ownership of the domain, content, and any other assets associated with the website. Selling your website can be a great way to retire in style and enjoy the fruits of your labor as a digital Rockefeller. So, if you're ready to cash out and watch your bank account do the happy dance, it may be time to consider selling your online empire. In conclusion, I have shared with you 14 different ways to transform your website from just a regular online presence to a thriving money-making machine. By implementing these tips and strategies, you can take your digital platform to the next level and reap the rewards of a successful online business. So, get ready for an exciting journey ahead, and let the internet be your playground to success. You can find all the necessary resources and links to help you achieve your goals in the description below. I would greatly appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.